Welcome back. We've had our 304 for about 6 months now, and we've got our first real problem. It's with the water heater. You see on the control panel we've got a little exclamation mark. If you hold the button down, it has two lights come up. That's the error code. That is saying that we are overheating. The water is overheating, so it's shutting itself out. To reset, you hold down the button with the problem and the plus, and the exclamation mark will disappear. What we are finding is that if we put it on the 2 bars of electric, we trip. If we use gas or just 1 bar of electric, it's fine. So we've emailed our dealer. We're away at the bank holiday weekend at the moment, so we'll see what they come back with. If any of you have any ideas what to do as well, if you've had the same problem, please do let us know in comments below. Thanks very much. We'll update you soon.